legend of a crest. Strictly sure. This assumes something you find in a generously dressed. He's dead. Sir, I can't do anything. On our late night waiting room, the place can keep him so out, sir. Slacking, sparking. You, fan of a sparkling fire. Won't talk. Huh? What's your name, little one? Don't worry, little one. I'm not here to harm you. The quick board and a pen. Huh? The scepter. That's it. My name is Ratchet. Sparkling, problems. Ratchet, where is mommy? Sorry, sir. Huh? You're so tough. Calm down, sir. That's it. Carry me. Ratchet, mommy and daddy. Can I see her? Bro, where it go? I think you will take him in the Asian room. Sir, what? Huh? You can't be serious. Spark is gone. No way to choose. You mean? Mommy, why? Mommy. I'm so sorry, Scepter. I'm really wondering something we can do. Please, stay away from me. Ratchet theme. Ratchet is okay. It's not your fault. That's it. That's what I do it. They have young sparklings. Idiot. We said same thing as you. Sir, the orphanage, the curve. What the please say orphanage. No. Father was never out and is alive. But Francis has been lamb. No one sees that directly. Stimming out fully timid. So don't look me that. I am afraid. If anyone saw the podcast where the sparking stay, I'm not opening. I'm between the sparkling. But sir, don't give pow will punch us. So we're afraid. Don't cry, girl. Come with me. That's it. Good price, bro. He's so cute. That is not for business to take care of. Look sparkly, that's so bit for law. Okay, I understand. Ito. Bro, what we do now? I don't know, bro. That's it. What bro you mean? Not that.